Okay. So Eosio Club, Eos came from the Greek word dawn. It's like new beginning, right? And then Sio means to learn new things. So this is a new beginning or new day to start and learn new things. Now we are registered in Dubai. So we have the address and phone number in our website, so you can definitely call them, no problem. And then this is our CEO, the Chief Executive Officer. He is a former colonel of United Nations Office on Drug and Crimes. He is an Interpol, ladies and gentlemen, and 16 years in UNODC. He is also a former NBI officer from Executive Tree. Once we say that Executive Tree, that is the highest rank in National Bureau of Investigation, it's like FBI in the United States. So he is a former National Bureau of Investigation with Interpol Division, NBI with Violence Against Women and Crime and Children Desk, NBI Counter-Terrorism Division, and he is also a licensed protection agent under Batch Maaga. He is now an entrepreneur and businessman as well. That's Mr. Danny Aguilera, a very handsome man. Right? Soon, you're gonna meet him at Okada, Manila. And there he is. All right? So his vision is leadership, strong operational foundation, and global standards, local and international execution. He said, I am building more than a community. I am creating a family bound by vision, values, and long-term purpose. That's our CEO, Danny Aguilera. Okay, so this is Mr. Danny Aguilera, the CEO of AOSIO. And next. Okay, so this is our previous event way back November 17, 2025 at Casa Ibarra. So we invited some of the big leaders coming out on different part of the world. And the next grand launching will be March 16. That's going to be the birthday of our CEO. At least 1,000 participants, including international leaders, are expected to join us. So yeah, see you guys. See you. Okay, anyway, what is EOS really? Why EOS will stand out? Well, first of all, we are not just offering services, or we are not just collecting money. We are not an investment company. We serve people by providing knowledge about decentralized finance, blockchain technology, digital asset, name it. And the reason why the EOS will stand out is that our wallet or exchanger that soon we are going to launch, the thing is that most of the crypto wallet or exchangers on the planet, the one that really earns regarding with the transaction fee are the owners. But this time around, the community is going to have the chance to earn from their members down the line, from first level down to 20th level deep. Every single transaction of your members using our wallet, you get paid. Okay, later I'll show you. So this is one of a kind platform, and I'll show you as well how to earn $1,048,000 within the next 5 months from now. Okay. So our three pillars of AOSIO, we have the education, community, empowerment. All right. Now, AOSIO is a digital library, ladies and gentlemen. We have 50 plus different expert resources book, okay, and covers by stocks, crypto, mindset, and risk management. Structured access by tier level. The more you commit, the more knowledge you unlock. Okay. So we have this AOS tokenization framework, the GameFi. So we are going to, release this AOS token, and this AOS token is used for gaining innovation with real world asset as well. Okay, how is that possible? I am going to show you later on with the presentation. Now, the utility engine of that, again, that's for the gaming and real world asset. We also have real backup, okay? Backup by gold. So on the tokenization, we have this 1 billion total supply only, right? 1 billion total supply. So if I'm going to show you right here. All right, so right now we are on private selling, 0.5 cent per token. That's the allocation, which is 5% of total supply. Once we sell all the 50 million total supply, we will go ahead immediately with the pre-sale. And from here, the price will goes up to 0.10 cent per token. And the allocation is 10% of the total supply. That's going to be 100 million AOS token. Once it's done, we will jump in with initial public offering, where the price will goes up to 0.20 cent per token. And the allocation is 20% of the total supply. That's going to be 200 million AOS. And the liquidity target is $40 million. From here, you guys are going to see this on, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and most of the top 10 exchanger on the planet, like Binance, OKX, BitGet, BingX, MEX, name it. We are going to be there, okay? Very soon. It depends on how fast we are with building the community, right? Now, if I'm going to show you on the website, you're gonna see there what is, all right. I'll show you the utility and how this is going to become a reliable project. All right. So this is our website. All the information you want to see are here already. And what I really wanted to show you is this one, all right? So as you can see here, okay, this is what I call a real world asset. We are going to use the AOS token on, if you know the Shell, Caltex, or Petron, these are the largest oil companies. So we are going to screw an account per country, $100,000 in dollars. So we are not going to get the oil, but we are going to pay them advance. In exchange, they need to accept the AOS token as mode of payment for all our members around the globe. Each country, we will deposit $100,000 in dollars. Okay? All they have to do is to accept the AOS token. Here in the Philippines, we are going to deposit $100,000 in two major malls, which is the SM Malls and Robinsons. Also the same way with also the same way in Africa, India, Cambodia, Thailand, UK. We are going to do it in some major malls. All they have to do is to accept the AOS token as mode of payment. So we are going to deposit in advance with $100,000 each mall. Also, for micro businesses, we will be encourage them to accept the AOS token, because our application is being designed that once they sign up in our application, for example, you are a mini store, once you sign up using our application, guys, listen, you can do the inventory with whatever products you have, including the prices. After that, you can click save and the QR code will pop up. And that QR code, you can print it out and post it in front of your store. If I am a client or a customer, all I have to do is to use my application of AOS, and then I will QR code your QR code in front of your store, and then I will see all the products that you have, and then all I have to do is to click what I really wanted to buy and pay it using AOS token. The good news, every time I spend money, all my upline, okay, all my upline, 20 of my upline are earning from my expenses. That is the beauty of our application. That doesn't have with any other exchanger and application, right? Now, with September 2026, we are going to get the virtual asset service provider license to strengthen the compliance and support broader real-world utility. That will happen on September 2026. That's going to be September 5, all right? And yeah, there it is. So from here, as you can see, right, it says on the roadmap, guys, we have the roadmap. And if you are going to read it, the website, the development and launch January to March 2026 website, 100% system completed. It's done. Launching of application and main office, that's going to be March 16. And then launching of AOS token, that's done already. The white paper is done already. It's just we don't need to launch it right now because we are still on a private sale. If we are going to launch the token, then the public will definitely buy for amounting of 0.5 or 0.05 cent. But we don't want that to happen. We want our member first to buy the token in a ground price. All right. Now, phase 2, that's going to be Q2, April to June. Massive global caravan to hit the 1 million AOS members mark. Week 1 event, packs in India, 1,000 packs in India, 1,000 packs in Cambodia, 1,000 packs in Thailand, 1,000 packs in Indonesia, 1,000 packs in Africa. So guys, you see, you guys are in the roadmap. So prepare, right? 1,000 packs in UK, London, Japan, United States, Hong Kong, Dubai, Vietnam, and Russia. So this is going to be big. And congratulations to all of you. You are the very first to hit the $1 million. All right, how are we going to do it? Very simple. So again, we are providing services. Any package in front of your screen right now, there is an electronic books inside of it, inside our application. So the application again will be launched March 16th, right, in Okada, Manila. Now we have the $16.15 Edge. That's going to be 31.50 cent in $76, 151, 301, 751, 1501. All right, why is it like that? Because we made it like this. The total basic package is $15. Now additional 1.50 cent in dollar. This is to cover all the transaction fee, right? That's why the total is 16.50 cent in dollar. But honestly speaking, for the basic package, this is the only going to the system, the $15 only, right? Now moving forward, all of these 7 packages. Why 7 packages only? Because in 1 week we have 7 days. So each day we have to tackle every single electronic books. So whatever package you buy, you are entitled for that. All right. Now, as you can see on my screen right now, every tier earns 0.5% from the daily knowledge credit. Just activate your Save to Learn and Earn at Learning Bolt. It works like this. So most people are being confused. Okay. Now, example, you buy the Genesis package. Why are you going to buy the Genesis package? Because beside of having the module, you will also get the token. So, meaning, all we have to do is to divide the $1,500 divided to 0.05, you will be getting 30,000 AOS token. Now, this is equivalent to 30,000 AOS token. Okay? Now, it works like this. 66.6% from $1,500, that's going to be the $1,000. So this $1,000 is the one that will earn 0.5% every day. What about the 33.3%? This is the $500, and this is not going to earn anything. It's served like a gasoline, okay? And this is the car that will earn. For car to move, it must have the gasoline, which is the $500. So this $1,000 will earn 0.5% daily, which is $5 every day. Times 30 days, it will definitely earn $150, which is 10% of the total enrollment fund. Okay? Do not be confused, because we still have the booster package. What about the booster package? This booster package is $2,000 and above. If you want to do the booster package, you can definitely do it. Guys, the difference between the 7 packages and the booster packages is very simple. All right? The difference with the booster package, you can take out this booster package at any time. You can take back your capital. Again, for the booster package, you can take back your capital anytime. However, you will not be getting any token if you remove the $2,000 on your system dashboard. So all you have to do is to patiently wait for the next 400 days. If you can wait for the next 400 days, then definitely you will be getting the token amounting to $2,000, depends on the token price. For example, right now you buy $2,000 divided to 0.05 per token, then definitely you will be getting 40,000 AUS token. Now, what will happen after 400 days? If you finish the 400 days, we are now going to release your token. Okay? Now, what if one day the price becomes $2 per token? Then all you have to do is to multiply it into $2. So you will be getting $80,000. Your $2,000 can become $80,000 within the next 400 days or 13 months. How is that possible? Look, the design for the tokenization, ladies and gentlemen, if I'm going to give you a tour with our system dashboard, here we are. If you are going to log in on your account, you're gonna see there the daily profit, okay, my knowledge contract, you are going to see that, okay, here, okay, so this is the knowledge bowl, okay, and then the daily rate, okay, and then the earned credits daily, you are going to see that. And then for the gaming side, all you have to do is to click the games. You'll see there a lot of different games, so it's up to you if what type of game you would like to enjoy with. All right, so again, 30% of the total profit from our online gaming, we are going to put that as liquidity fund of our AUS token. Now tell me, is it possible for the AUS token to have a price of $2 after 13 months? Yes. Our estimate is minimum $2. What if it became $5? Let's go back to the booster package. You buy $2,000 right now, okay? Divided to 0.05 cent, you will be getting 40,000 AUS token. After 13 months, your $2,000 will earn 130% because your $2,000 is earning times 10%. So you are earning $200 every month times 13 months. Definitely, you have your capital back plus you already earned $600. But the real deal is not the percentage monthly. The real deal is the token itself. For example, again, you buy the $2,000 divided by 0.05 on private sale per token, 5 cents. you have 40,000 AUS token. What if one day, after 13 months, it became $5? So times $5, you'll get $200,000, right? I hope you guys can understand what I'm trying to tell you right now. This is the real deal. The 10% monthly, it's just for your coffee, cup of your coffee, right? Cup of coffee, the 10% monthly. The real deal is the price of the token. Right, now moving forward, how are we going to earn? First is the passive income, which is 10% rebates every month, okay? And then we as upline, we get 5% direct referral bonus. So that is the second ways of earning, the direct referral. What about the third ways to earn? The third ways to earn, guys, is the indirect referral bonus. Whatever amount goes to your 20 level D, you get $1, $1, $1, $1. Okay? Now, I'll show you how to earn $1,048,000 within the next 5 months from now. How are we going to do it? All we have to do is to get 2 members under your organization within the next 7 days or 1 week. All we have to do is to duplicate ourselves every week, 2 by 2 by 2. Then, you don't have to focus on Genesis package, Epix, Prime. No. Just get the people who can put $16.50, this package. All right, the basic package. All you have to do is to find people who have $16.50. All right? Why? Because here, it says here on the indirect referral bonus, all right, if we are going to get 2 by 2 on the 10th weeks or 10th level, you have 1,024 members already on the 10th weeks because every week we get or duplicated by 2 every week. Now, take a look at this. On the 11th weeks, you have 2,048 people under your organization, and then on the 12th week, you have 4,000, and then on the 13th week, 8,000 members, 14th week, 6,000 members, and then on the 15th week, another 32,000 members, 16th level, 65,000. Guys, on the 20th level deep, you have unconsciously, you have built 1,048,576 people under your organization. And that means every single person coming in on your 20th level deep, you'll get paid $1, $1, $1, which means these 1,048,000 people are converted into dollar. So definitely you are going to earn $1,048,576. How long is it takes? 20 weeks. And if we are going to compute that, 20 weeks, each month there is 4 weeks. Divided to 4 weeks, guys, 5 months to play. 5 months of bringing down everything and focus on AOS. After 5 months, you will definitely earn $1,048,000 within the next 5 months. All right? Now, it's not stopping there because we still have this what we so-called leadership bonus. Guys, all of you are the pioneer in the company. Look, the ranking depends on the group sales, second on the working line. Okay? 2 requirements. First, again, group sales and then working line. Even if you are on the tier 3, you only need 1 working line. Even if you have only 1 working line, you can become tier 3. Why? How is that possible? All you have to do is to get $2,000 group sales volume. Even if you are just have 1 working line, you can still earn up to 15%. However, there is tier 2 under your organization, so it only means they will get the 10%, so the difference is only 5%. How are you going to become tier 4? You need $5,000 sales volume plus 2 tier 3 under your organization, you get 20%. Okay, the exciting part is that once you become the tier 6, how much is the tier 6? You will be getting 35% from your group sales daily profit. Again, from your group sales daily profit or monthly profit, you'll get 35%. Now, the thing is this, the catch is this. Once you get tier 6, the difference of tier 6 and tier 5 is 25% goes to the tier 5. Since you are having 35%, then the difference is 10%. Going back on the 2x2, again, on your 20th level deep, you have 1,048,000 people under your organization. If we are going to compute that, $1,048,000 million people under your organization, remember all of them, they put $15 each on their account. So times $15, guys, unconsciously you have $15.7 million group sales volume. Times 10%, this is the monthly income of your group. And from the monthly income of your group, 10% goes to you if you are a tier 7 or tier 6. So times 10%, guess what? $157,000 goes to you every 30 days or every month. Let's say, let's deduct the, 17,000. Let's deduct the $17,200. Why? What's in it for the $17,200? That's the budget of your family. All right? That's the allowance of your family, $17,200 every month. Now you still have savings of $140,000 every month. Times to 10 months. After 10 months, you have savings of $1.4 million. Okay? So please, next day is Monday. Bring all your sunglasses because your future is brighter that you can even open your eyes. Oh, there it is. Eddie is wearing a black sunglasses. Congratulations, guys. All right, Mr. Eddie's wearing sunglasses. He cannot bear to see the brighter future in EOS, guys. All right. Okay. Now, the main question here is that how can the company sustain the monthly payout? That's the number one question that you guys are going to encounter outside. All right? Now, every single pay-in, all right, or entry, it goes to the wallet of our CEO, right? And then we deduct immediately 10%. This 10% is for the operations and the expenses. The whole 90% goes right through the crypto trader wallet. So the trader is providing us 30% every month, right? Now, the payout of the company is 10% from the tuition fee that generates 10% monthly and then 10% monthly as well for the leadership bonus. A total of 20% monthly payout. And how much this crypto trader delivered to us? 30%. So the 30% coming from the crypto trader profit deducted by the payout of a total 20%. Still, the company has 10% income which we are going to use for the operations and the expenses. Now, somewhere along the road, somebody will ask you, what if the crypto trader of the company lost their fund? Can the company still sustain the payout? Again, somewhere along the road, somebody will ask you, what if the company trader lost their fund because a big whale came in and they wiped out our fund? Remember, we have the gaming, right? And on the gaming, we have this 2 digits raffle draw every 10 minutes. Again, every 10 minutes, we have this gaming. Every 10 minutes. Okay, now, regarding with the withdrawal, all right, 10% of your withdrawal processing fee amount is automatically converted to AOS Spin Credit Voucher. You can see that here on your system dashboard. Okay, I'll give you a tour. Just go to Credit Wallet and then you'll see here Credit Voucher. Now, the 10% charge of every withdrawal goes to your credit voucher. And this voucher, you need to use this for the gaming. It's an AOS token that you need to use for gaming only. There's no other way. Right now, moving forward, the mechanics of our raffle draw, 2 digits raffle draw, is amounting to 0.50 cent. Okay? Each raffle ticket. All you have to do is to choose from 1 to 45 numbers. For example, you choose the number 8 and 28. If this is the winning number, your 50 cent in dollar could become $100. This is the winning price per raffle ticket. All right? Now, on each 0.50 cent per raffle ticket, the company earned 20% from it. Okay? How much is the 20% from 0.50 centavo? That's going to be 0.10 centavo. And this is the company profit. Now, let's say 12 months from now, the company has 10 million members global, right? And each of these members, they put basic package, which is $15 goes to the company. So this is the fund of the company being traded by our trader. That's $150 million. And the payout is 20%. Times 20%. How much is that? That's $30 million. Now the question is, what if the trader has been wiped out their liquidity because whale came in and they lost their fund? Can the company sustain the $30 million payout every month? The answer is yes. How? How are we going to sustain? Look, if we have 10 million members 12 months from now global, at least 1% of them are joining the raffle draw every 10 minutes. 1% of the 10 million community is 100 million people global joining the raffle draw every 10 minutes. How much is the earning of the company per ticket? Times 0.10 cent. The company is earning 10 cent per person on each raffle ticket. So the company is earning $10,000 every 10 minutes. In 60 minutes, there is 6 draw. All right? So times 6 draw, in 1 hour, the company is earning $60,000 per hour. Times 24 hours, ladies and gentlemen, the company is earning $1.4 million every day. Times 30 days, look, the company can still earn $43.2 million every month. So we can now simply deduct the 30 million, which is the total payout of the company monthly. Still, the company has $13.2 million. This is the profit of the company. And we are just talking about the 2 digits raffle draw. We are not yet talking about the 3 digits raffle draw, 4 digits raffle draw, 5 digits raffle draw. We even have lottery draw. We even have scatter, poker here on the gaming. You can see that on your system dashboard. See here on the left side, you see games, just click the games. And then, boom. All you have to do is to choose whether you would like the slots machine. Just choose whatever slots machine you want. If you want table games, just choose the table games. Okay? There. There is Blackjack Royale, Roulette, Poker Night, Baccarat, Juice Wild, European Roulette, Texas Hold'em, three-card poker, name it. If you want live casino, no problem. There is live casino on it. Alright? So, guys, my point is this. Every profit of the company, 30% of the profit of the company from the online gaming, we put it on the EOS liquidity fund. That's why I am telling you, hold as much as token as you can. Hold the EOS token as much as you can, because right after your contract, 400 days, we are going to release your token. For example, you buy, right? For example, you buy $2,000 divided 0.05, which is on private sale right now, you have 40,000 EOS token. What if the price became $5 after 13 months? Times $5, guess what? You have $200,000. Guys, what I am telling you right now is that the company has a very self-sustainable platform, business model, right? That's the beauty on our system. And guess what? If you have 1 million community 6 months from now, okay? If you have 1 million community 6 months from now, or let's say 1 year from now, you have 1 million community from your first level down to 15th level, okay? Every single raffle ticket, you get paid. How? What we did here is that per raffle ticket from 0.50 cent, okay? We get the 80, we get the 0.086 cent, okay? From 0.50 cent, we get the 0.086, and we divided this into 10th level. So every level, you are going to earn 0.086, all right? 0.086 per raffle ticket. Okay, now, how does it go? From 1 million member under your organization, and all of them, at least 1% are joining the raffle draw, 1% under your organization. You have 10,000 community joining the raffle draw every 10 minutes, times 0.086. You are earning, times 0.086. You are earning $86 every 10 minutes. Times 6 draw, you are earning per hour $516 per hour. Times 24 hours, you can earn daily $12,384 every day. Times 30 days, you can earn as much as $371 on the raffle draw itself if you have so much community under their organization. The idea is very simple. We are not encouraging people to become a gambler. Okay? We are not encouraging people to become a gambler. But, take note of this. Every withdrawal, there is a 10% charge, which became the voucher. And that voucher, there's nothing you can do but to use it on the gaming. Right? Do not gamble. Just use the voucher on the gaming. Alright? For those people who would like to do the gambling, it's up to them. Alright? It's up to them. Again, don't do the gambling. Just use your voucher to do the gaming. Now you see the brighter future. I saw their eyes. The MLM Lion is there. He's wearing right now the, the shade because he cannot bear with this very own eyes the brighter future in front of him. So I'm done with the presentation, guys. We can now do the question and answer portion. All right, let me